Hello friends, in this video I am talking about all AHU sensor and their uses. So let's get started friends. If you work in the HVAC or building management system BMS system, the AHU means air handling unit sensor are the U. Sensor are to you what sense are the humans. Without those senses, AHU will become the blind, deaf and the useless. Today we will dive into all AHU sensors, their function, usage and why they are important for the efficient and the comfort of the system. Friends, let's see the role of sensor in AHU. AHU is a system that the filter, cools, heat and the circulation air in the large buildings, small hospitals and offices, but it is smart only when it the right sensor. Okay, friends, let's see the sensor head. Monitor temperature. Sensor help in monitor temperature, humidity and air quality. Increasing energy efficiency and detecting faults. Maintenance comfort. So let's see the list of the all major AHU sensor and their usage. Okay. First is temperature sensor. Temperature sensor supply, return, outdoor and a mixed air. Used in temperature sensor. Let's see the uses of this temperature sensor friends. Supply air temperature sense. Monitor the temperature of the air leaving the AHU. Okay. Second is return air temperature sensor. Measure temperature of the air returning to the AHU. Okay. And next is outdoor air temperature sensor. Measure the temperature of the outside air for the equalizer control. Okay. So let's see the mixed air temperature sensor. Measuring the temperature of the mix or supply and return air. Okay, let's see the example of this sensor and its uses. Do you like this video? Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. If the supply air is too cold, energy can be saved by the adjusting the system. Okay. Second is humidity sensor. Friends, humidity sensor, relative humidity sensor. Let's see the uses of this humidity sensor. Friends, measuring the percentage of the moisture in the air by humidity sensor. Okay, friends, controls comfort level and the mold growth by humidity sensor. Friends, importance for the dehumidification and humidification control. Okay, let's see the example of this sensor. Do you like this video? Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more information. Friends, maintaining 50 to 60% RH in a hospital is important for the infection control. Okay, let's see the third sensor. Third sensor is pressure sensor and pressure sensor. Let's see the uses of pressure sensor. Friends, static pressure sensor. Let's see the types and uses. First is static pressure sensor. Maintain air pressure in AHU ducts for the behavior control. Okay. And second is differential pressure sensor. What is differential pressure sensor? Install across the filter to detect clog. Okay. And next is implanted across coils to monitor performance. Okay. Friends, let's see the example of this sensor. Friends, if the pressure drop of the filter increasing, it means filter is clogged and need to be changed. Yeah, clean. Okay. Let's see the fourth sensor. Fourth sensor is airflow sensor. What is airflow sensor and what is use of this sensor? Friends, the measure how much air is flowing in the AHU. Okay, necessarily for the proper ventilation and energy optimization. Okay, let's see the example of this sensor. Friends, if the airflow is low, then the fan speed or damper position can be adjusted. Okay, let's see the fifth sensor. Fifth sensor is CO2 sensor. It means carbon dioxide sensor. Let's see the usage of the carbon dioxide sensor. Friends, what's the use? Use is monitors indoor air quality by this sensor and adjust fresh air supply according to the occupancy, demand, control, ventilation. Okay, let's see the example of this sensor. Friends, if there are more people in the conference room, the CO2 level will increasing. The AHU will automatically supply more fresh air. Okay, let's see the sixth sensor. Sixth sensor is VOC sensor. VOC sensor full form is volatile organic compounds. Okay, let's see the usage of this sensor. Friends, detects the chemical pollutants in air especially important in labs, hospitals and manufacturing areas. Okay, let's see the seven sensor. Seven sensor is a smoke detector, fire sensor. Let's see the usage of a smoke detector and fire sensor. Friends, shutting down fans in AHU as soon as smoke is detected. Okay, friends, critical safety features to prevent the fire separate. Okay, do like this video, please like this video, you can support this channel. Okay, it is filter status sensor, it means differential pressure based. Okay, let's see the usage of filter status sensor. Friends, detects when the filter is clogged, helps scheduling preventive maintenance by know how when filter is clogged. Okay, next is vibration sensor. Vibration sensor is for fan monitoring. Yes, let's the usage of this vibration sensor. Friends, detects abnormal vibration in the fans, bearing or motor. Used by vibration sensor, gives maintenance alert before breakdown by this vibration sensor. Okay, let's see the 10th sensor. 10th sensor is damper position sensor. What is damper position sensor and what is usage of this damper position sensor? Monitor extract position of outdoor return and exhaust air damper. Okay, helps in air mixing and equalizer operation. Okay, let's see the next 11. 11 in energy meter. Energy meter power sensor. What is energy meter power sensor usage? Friends, measure the power consumption of the AHU by this energy meter power sensor. Okay, important for the energy optimization and cost calculation by this sensor. Okay, let's see the next sensor and 12 sensor. 12 sensor is chilled and hot water supply and heater temperature sensor. Okay, you can see is equal to thermometer. Okay, monitor the temperature of water going to the coil and returning from the coil. Okay, has to check the cooling and heating efficiency. Okay, by this sensor. Let's see the sensor plus BMS integration. Yes, nowadays all sensors are the connected to the building management system, means BMS system. Okay, let's see the what is BMS system. BMS system analyzes data by BMS system. BMS system uses analyzing data, automatically adjust fan speed, damper position, cooling and heating mode. Okay, gives fault detection and alarms by the BMS system. Real life example. Let's see the hospital AHU. Okay, in a hospital AHU, temperature, humidity, CO2 and the pressure sensor are the critical because infection control is a priority. Okay, if humidity become high, the BMS immediately active the dehumidification. Okay, if CO2 increases, the fresh air damper automatically open. Okay, let's see the pro tips for the engineer and technician. Friends, get the sensor calibrated every 6 to 12 months. Okay, every sensor. Okay, faulty sensor can spoil the overall performance of AHU. Okay, keep checking the wiring and the BMS connectivity in every 6 months. Okay, match the filter changes schedule with the sensors reading. Okay, दोस्तों, let's see the final words of this video. Okay, so friends, all sensors are not just for the monitoring but also act as the backbone to save energy, maintain comfort and ensure safety. Okay, if you are in HVAC fields, then understanding the working location and the maintenance of all these sensors will take you carry to the next level. Okay, do you like this video? Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.